Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to set an alarm clock. This usually helps when you want to wake up early in the morning or when you have plans and you don't want to be late in doing them. It also helps as a reminder. So let's get started. Go through your phone and search for the application called Clock. Once you found it, click on it. You won't be able to see an interface such as this one until you click on this icon shaped like a small clock. You should have this interface. Next you are going to click here. You will see this kind of interface. This is where you are going to set your alarm clock. You will choose the right time which is appropriate for you. The first 2 digits on the clock you are seeing represents hours. The next 2 digits represents minutes. After you have finished setting up your time you will press on OK. You can even set your alarm to repeat every day on just some particular days.